In this video, I'll show you how to install YouTube as an app on your MacBook. This method allows YouTube to open in its own window, so you can use it just like a regular application without opening a normal browser tab. First, open Google Chrome on your MacBook. Once Chrome is open, click the address bar, type youtube.com, and press return on your keyboard. After the YouTube website loads, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Google Chrome. From the menu, hover over Cast, Save, and Share, then select Install YouTube. Depending on your version of Chrome, this option may appear as Install Page as App. A confirmation window will appear. Click Install to continue. YouTube will now open in a separate window and behave like a standalone application. You can sign in to your Google account to access your subscriptions, playlists, watch history, and recommendations. To find the app later, open Launchpad or your Applications folder, then search for YouTube. For even quicker access, you can keep YouTube in your dock. While the app is open, right-click or control-click the YouTube icon in the dock. Next, hover over Options and select Keep in Dock. Now, when you close YouTube, the icon will remain in your dock, allowing you to open it anytime with a single click. And that's how you can install YouTube as an app on your MacBook using Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.